All right, here we are at one of the most breathtaking renovations I have personally ever seen. So wanted to start out inside the house, so you see that right away. And now we're just gonna fly the drone up and show you the outside. And just when we get up a little bit more, you can see Philadelphia. So that's where we are. The park's right across the street. You'll see in all the sights. But most importantly, the quick synopsis of the inside of this house is stunning. You have 4 bedrooms, you have 2 full baths upstairs, and you have 1 full bath in the basement. So the basement will have that side entrance with that beautiful gate you see right now wrapped all the way around, and it is unbelievable. I can't say enough good things about this one because, you know, there's tons. But there's the outside shot, and we are going to get you in momentarily, so you'll see all that, but don't miss the drone footage at the end. So here we go, hop it in right now. All right, here we are, 451 Cobbs Creek Parkway in Philadelphia, and we're gonna head right inside. So all the way down here, you can see some extensive metalwork on that. We do have the rubber mulch in there, but let's get you inside because it is beautiful on the outside, but I gotta tell you, this is one of the most impressive remodels I've ever seen. And there we go. So this is where I was gonna start it. So look at this shot, unbelievable. So straight through, open concept. I'll take you back there and show you. You have the double doors going in. I have them open. This front room here. You're gonna notice a ton of LED lights throughout, custom fans, custom work, and you know, just one of a kind, truly. So I'll take you in this corner. You have the exposed brick. So you got a lot of custom things too. I'm gonna have to get a different word for you that goes all the way up, all the way down. More or less floating stairs by design. And look at this, that is unique. So that was obviously built just for this. We have LED lights. We have this kitchen, which is immaculate. And you know, the colors, they just work. So darker stainless steel appliances. You can see here, gas cooking. And look at that. Pendant lights right here, very unique as well. Backsplash just flows. Get a closer look at that with the countertops. And the attention to detail here is off the charts. You know, even the granite here on the windowsills, there's many things you're gonna see here that you won't see anywhere else. And they did not cut corners. So that is something that is, quite frankly, always good to know because you wanna be living in a house that was done right. Everybody does. So here's the back area, privacy. I'll spin you around. This is composite, the decking boards. There's that shot there. You can see the 2 newer units. I think they're brand new. So security system all throughout too. We'll show you that in the basement and touch on it. But here you go, plenty of room here. Being an N unit, you get the bonus windows on the side. Let's take you back in. I like that shot. All right, so we'll stay on the first floor just a little bit longer. We'll head on up and make sure we touch on everything here that's unique. Even things I'll point out quickly. There's an outlet up there in case someone wanted to mount a TV. You know, a lot of things have been thought about with this one, you know, as if the contractor was going to live here. And that is, you know, to me, even personally looking for a house, that is always a good sign because, you know, they knocked it out of the park. So up we go. Take note of these stairs. And there you're gonna see 1, 2, 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. So I'll pan around just so you get the overall sense. Primary bedroom being straight ahead. Laundry area right there. Bathroom, bedroom, and bedroom. So the exposed brick carries all the way throughout. And the hardwood floors too. Geez, I'm talking so much, I didn't even mention that. So hardwood floors all the way throughout. I believe it's either vinyl plank flooring or engineered hardwood. We'll wait till we get down to the basement. So ceiling fan, all new windows. Big closet there, and the exposed brick. So down we go. I believe this bedroom is just slightly smaller than that one, but still more than adequate. Closet, hardwood floors even go into the closets. Nice, and they added a light switch, so you have the light, which I like. So that might be the best shot of that room to show you proportionally how large it is. I'll spin around here. Here is the bathroom. So plenty of room, built-in linen closet. I'll even open that up, just so you can see. A 1.5 foot deep, give or take. Dual flush toilet, and there's a nicer tub in my opinion. The niche there, and look at that tile work. Fantastic. And we'll even pop over here so you can get the whole sense of it. Tile included. There we go. And even these lights too. Everything here just has a very unique flair, and it's, you know, it pops and it works. Here is the laundry. As you see it is as you get it. So stackable would go in there. Electric. And welcome to the primary bedroom. So big walk-in closet. I'll show that to you. Lighted. Custom rails put up there, and I'll tuck you in here. Looks like got access there and a big shelf. And then there you go. Can't get enough of that exposed brick. This was all custom. So 3 windows there. Wow. I saw this while it was in the works, and it was something to see then. It's only gotten better. Very cool fan. You got the barn door there. By the way, the barn door there as well, so they slide. Here you go. We'll get you into the bathroom. Look at that. I mean, the pictures do this justice, in my opinion. The video just, it makes it pop, and you can see it. So good size there. Even the unique stuff here as well. The toilet, and then down we go. So we'll just head on back downstairs. Make sure you get one more shot of the hardwoods, and in the main living space here too, because that is a good size room. So there we go. And we'll head down to the basement. And the basement does not disappoint, because down there, you have living space as well. So if you really are looking for a 4th bedroom, that could probably work down there. You do have the walkout, but that, you know, that's to each your own there. As far as if you want to live down in a basement. That light up there can change, by the way. It is right here. So LEDs, we'll grab them, you know, go to town, whatever mood you want. Little red action, green, blue, all different variations. And, you know, I like the blue. That's just me. Go down, zoom in on the hardwood here, and head on down. I really like the openness of the steps and the railing. Keeps everything flowing and just makes it feel bigger. I mean, it is a big house, don't get me wrong there, but it just makes it feel bigger. And here we are. Welcome to the basement. Plenty of LED lights, full bathroom down there. Egress, you can walk right out. The windows have these more or less temporary blinds. Back room here, if you wanted to partition it for an office, whatever you want to do. Already have a security system set up in the internet. Not sure if we're going to keep that, but I'll follow up on that. 200 amp panel, all new breakers. You can see what they are with the arc faults. And here is the shot. So pretty much the same layout as upstairs as far as the dimensions. Goes all the way back. And you do have your 4th bedroom, you know, more or less officially down here. And I'm telling you, if you want more space, you could even add it there. And I'll think out loud. I'll help anyone who wants ideas. That's what I like doing with this. But you do have an official bedroom here. So you have the window. Remember, with the egress. Here we're going to have an official closet with a ladder. Don't mind that. But yeah, I mean, any size bed you want could fit there. See the colors? The black makes this pop. We'll show you everything behind there. We won't keep that hidden. That's where the HVAC is. So you can see how we did the shower. I'll bring you up. Stunning. And then the colors too, even that vanity works well. Dual flush toilet. You can see the 2 options there. The mirror, and again, the unique lights. All right. Now we're gonna open this up. I don't think we had any pictures of this. Still some stuff there, don't mind the mess. But all new plumbing. There's your HVAC system. It's a Payne, high efficiency. And the water heater is hiding behind this ladder, so you can see it right there. So that's everything you need to see in there. I'm gonna walk you outside the side. And before I do that, one more pan of this to get the full effect. Don't mind that. Any last minute items we still have here, they will be removed. Just this has been a long work in progress, and we're at the finish line. So there you go. Walkway, custom fence all the way through. You can lock it, like I mentioned, the security camera. Got the two systems here. Just to piece this together, here you go. You walk right up, and you're at the back deck. Look at that. There we are. So if I left this unlocked, that would be perfect. We'll go right in and leave you with a shot of the kitchen. Because this is knocked out of the park, in my opinion. Absolutely beautiful. All right, so a little bit more drone footage coming your way, and I'll leave you right there.